This is a tragic case. Mr. and Mrs. Russell had two children named Harold, aged 3.5, and Eric, aged 18 months. The Russells' relationship had broken down, and Mr. Russell had recently committed bigamy by going through a ceremony of marriage with another woman. It was his apparent intention to set Mrs. Russell and the children aside and to take up with his new partner. Mrs. Russell, it would seem, was entirely unable to stand this situation. She had threatened previously to take her own life, and on this occasion she put the children in a pram and walked towards a local swimming pool about 10 p.m. Mr. Russell walked along with her for a way, trying to convince her to come home, but she refused. What happened next is controversial, but it is clear that Mrs. Russell entered the pool with the two boys, intending to drown them and herself. It is also clear that the jury decided that while Mr. Russell did not participate in the drowning of his wife and children, neither did he do anything to stop it from happening. Mr. Russell was charged with 3 counts of murder. Now, normally a bystander to a criminal offence cannot be considered to be an offender themselves. If you see a crime committed, you might consider yourself morally obligated to do something about it. But as far as the law is concerned, you are fully entitled to just stand back. And in one sense, you could argue that that's what Mr. Russell did. As a result, the jury acquitted him of murder, but convicted him of manslaughter. What the court found, though, was that there are certain relationships, such as parent and child or husband and wife, which imply particular responsibilities. And within those relationships, it's not good enough to just stand back and watch someone you're responsible for become the victim of an offence. Justice Mann, who had been the judge in the original case but then also sat in the appeal case, said, "The physical presence and the connivance of a parent in the position of the accused has in law, in my opinion, a criminal significance, not attaching to the presence and connivance of the mere passer-by referred to in some of the cases." As a result, the Court of Appeal confirmed Mr. Russell's conviction on 3 counts of manslaughter.